everybody, this is Dr. Michael Shearer coming to you with this quick tip on how to keep organized for your locator removable and locator fixed clinical cases. I know it's always a challenge for us as clinicians to keep your parts organized in one little area because it's hard to keep all that organized, efficient, and accessible for me and my team. So Zest is launching a component kit, a nice organized box that allows us to go ahead and keep everything organized in one nice little area for both our locator fixed and locator removable cases, including housings, inserts, and tooling all in this organized little box. Available in the box alone or in starter kits where it jumpstarts our inventory, Zest has thought about all these clinical efficiencies for me in clinical practice. And on top of it, on the back of the box, is links to training videos as well as areas for my team to go ahead and find resources on how to order additional parts.